is known as trend analysis. Any doubt till now? I mean, as far as vertical statement goes, as far as vertical income statement, vertical balance sheet, any doubt आपको कि नहीं सर ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए ऐसा कुछ? One thing, it is very subjective in nature. It is a management accounting, so it depends managers and management to management. Things is uh, change. So there is no fixed format as we have in taxation as per the act or as we have in financial accounting as per revised company act 2013. Likewise, your things is moving and changing. Okay.
So
Yes,
MCQs
Pradnya.
कैसे आएंगे?
हाँ जी।
इसके बेस सम MCQs सम्स के बेस पे आएंगे कि
आएंगे ना,
कैसे आएंगे?
आएंगे ना, क्यों नहीं आएंगे
तो
एमसीक्यू?
सम्स के कैसे आएंगे?
अरे ये पूरे क्वेश्चन अगर 15 मार्क के लिए है तो सिर्फ चेंजेस इन शेयर कैपिटल 1 मार्क के लिए नहीं हो सकता।
अच्छा।
बहुत सिंपल है यार। वो क्या होंगे अगर आपने पूरा प्रैक्टिस किया है, देयर वोंट बी एनी प्रॉब्लम। अगर आपने प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया है, देन देयर विल बी अ प्रॉब्लम 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 ओनली। ओके, they may ask what is the formula to compute comparative statement. What is the formula? Change in amount divided by base year amount into 100. They may ask how we will get the common size of uh, your office and administrative expenses. What is the formula? Office administrative expenses divided by net sales into 100. Arey, anything could be asked, yaar. If you know the funda, things can be asked. Okay, so we were talking about trend analysis. In trend analysis, what is happening? They will keep the first year as a base year. That will be considered as 100%. And then they will check every year ka amount, whether it is increasing or decreasing. Okay. Say for example, a company has 1 lakh ka sales in 2017, 2 lakh ka sales in 2018, 3 lakh ka sales in 2019. So there is an increment in sales every year. That is known as trend. Okay. Thereby we will not calculate their changes in amount. Only the things to be calculated with respect to percentage. With respect to percentage. Every year ka percent we need to calculate. Okay. I am keeping proper record of every student regarding their internal continuous evaluation. Later on, please don't come to me, sir, I haven't got the marks, this and that. I'm not going to entertain those students. There are many students who have not started solving. Definitely, they will not get out of marks in internal as far as my subject goes, for sure. There are many unsolved solved questions. Please do practice at home. Don't wait for my suggestion or my advice that this should be these all vertical statement you could have finished by now. This comparative you must have started solving. Yes or no? comparative income and comparative balance sheet. आपने ये देखा लास्ट सेशन के। तो नाउ अगर मैं कॉमन साइज और ट्रेंड एक साथ लूं, तो ये क्वेश्चन को मैं मॉडिफाई कर रहा हूँ to understand how the trend analysis goes. Okay, so base year will always be 100%. Okay, suppose एक और कॉलम ले लेते हैं हम लोग। So I am hypothetically taking a figure for 2012, again in rupees. This will be 2012 in percentage, 2013 in percentage, and 2014 in percentage. So what we will do, again in the formula, it will be current year amount divided by base year amount into 100. What will be the base year? The first year. Say for example, I have taken here as 5 lakh my sales. So 5 lakh is my base year. From 5 lakh sales went to 8 lakhs to 10 lakhs. So I will consider it as 100%. Okay. So now 8 lakh divided by 5 lakh into 100. How much you are getting? 8 lakh divided by 5 lakh into 100. So 8 divided by 5. 160%. So in 2013 it is 160%. In 2014 it will be 10 lakhs. Means 200%. Absolutely right. So sales is increasing like this. So it is it is showing increasing trend. It is showing increasing trend. Now let me take the cost of sales. I am taking it as 4 lakhs. मैं hypothetically assume कर रहा हूँ ताकि आपको ट्रेंड एनालिसिस समझ में आए. ठीक है. Again 4 lakh will be considered as 100%. 4 lakh will be considered as 100%. Then 6 lakh will be, yes, thank you Dipesh, Aryan. 6 lakhs will be 150%. And 7 lakh 50,000 will be 7,50,000 will be 187.5%. I will write 187.5. This is how is showing the trend. It will be for 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. So here, how much is the profit then? 1 lakh. So if 1 lakh is 100%, then 2 lakh will be 200%. So then it will be 200% and it will be 250%. I hope you must be getting an idea. Okay. Say for example, here it will be 40,000. 40,000 as operating expense. So net profit, so operating expenses will be how much? Operating expenses 40,000 is 100%. 50,000 divided by 40,000, 125%. 60,000 divided by 40,000. 60,000. 60,000 again will be considered as 100%. Then 1,50,000. 1,50,000. 1,50,000 will be considered as 250%. 250. And 190 as 190 as 316.66. So this is shows always increasing trend. You know, this is how you will get the trend analysis. See how the trend analysis they have computed. 100, 133. So each amount divided by base year amount into 100. Each amount divided by base year amount into 100. It is 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 1 lakh. So everywhere the trend is 100, 100, 100. 4 lakh, 4 lakh, 40,000 likewise. So now if the meeting is getting over, immediately join with same login ID and password. Join with same login ID and password.